morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, February 6th, 2024. Let's go ahead and take a look at what happened here yesterday. Yesterday was actually a really nice and easy day. Hopefully it was for you guys. Just a beautiful, again, nearly seems like every day, but beautiful masterclass in stair-stepping up and down our levels. So let me get this all the way back to the open here. And right out of the open, we held the first roadmap level that we had on our charts at the open here, which was our 72.5, and the close just one tick above it. And remember what we were talking about yesterday. We said that there were a lot of clues for the market to pull back a little deeper, but in order for us to really have any faith in the bears, given the situation we're in such a strong market, we wanted to see the market get down through 50% of the previous day, and then we were targeting down into the levels we had below. So we did have, as a further target, once we got through 50% of the previous day, we did have scaffolding pretty close by. But once we got through that, the next target was going to be down to 49.40. And then beyond that, again, we were expecting the bulls to come in at some point. So there was going to be an expectation for a pullback. And then at some point off one of our roadmap levels, we were expecting there to be the bulls to come back in and try to recover. And that's what we were talking about in the pre-market yesterday. And so let's take a look. So we hold the first roadmap level. And like I said, it was basically, if you zoom out and look, just a beautiful example of stair-stepping down each roadmap level. And then again, the low of the day was 49.40. I mean, we ducked through it by 3 points maybe. And then the whole market reversed, and then we stair-stepped back up the roadmap levels again, nearly to the tick. So again, out of the open, beautiful opportunity. If you were being patient and you didn't want to just jump on the bearish side until you had confirmation, and the confirmation was the breakdown through 50% of the previous day, you had the beautiful tag off the back end of 50 PD. You had, unfortunately, they did not come up and tag the next roadmap level to the tick there, but we held, continued to come down lower, and then again just missed the 200 there for the push down to test the next roadmap level. And then from there, once we had stair-stepped down, again, 72.5, our hopeful there at 69, 50% of the previous day, right there at 61.62. Then again, coming just shy of the next scaffolding and just shy of the 200. And then we began the opposite side and began to stair-step up the levels. And again, almost nearly to the tick, we stepped up the 200, then up from the scaffolding. And then we got through and parried right off hopeful again and held to the tick 50% of the previous day to come back up. So in my opinion, all morning, beautiful opportunities to jump in short. And then once we found support, which again, this was kind of our expectation, was at some point, either from 40 or from our pocket down here around 29 to 35, 36. These were all areas that we expected to be major support. And when we found that support, we then went ahead and stair-stepped back up. We even tagged 50% of the previous day 3 times to the tick here as the bulls tried to bring the market back up. And then right at the end of the day here, came back to 72.5 and basically petered out to pull back and find support off the scaffolding one last time. So great opportunities on the bullish side, great opportunities on the bearish side. And then that brings us here into the overnight session, where we are trading right around 50% of the range of the last 2 days. So if we step back and let's take a look at our 60-minute chart here, we have Friday's range, right? The low of Friday, the high of Friday. We have yesterday's range right in here. And we're trading basically right around 50% of this range. So we're kind of stuck right in between here. There's the support off that 40.5. Again, we ducked just about 3 points through it and then came all the way back up. And now we're trading again inside of all this chop. So let's see what we can eke out of the charts coming into the open this morning.